Walk on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuning into Click React. I saw a video going out, and it's basically talking about a guy being fat phobic. So the title of the video is actually called "Blindfolded People Go on Speed Dating," right? So somewhere in there, some guy does something or says something. I haven't watched the video yet. I just heard about it. So I decided to, watch and give my own opinion on it. But somewhere in there, the guy does something that seems fat phobic. So that's what we're going to be looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, man. I really appreciate it. Turn on post notifications, drop a like, and most importantly, let me know what you think about this. Do you think what the guy did or said was fat phobic? Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys for watching as usual, man. Peace.
So when you're dating, what age group do you normally kind of stick to?
I usually go
Just want to say that that might be ageist. Just putting that out there.
older, so my age range is usually like 22 to 32 kind of thing.
This guy looks like he's a good. I'm not really good with ages, but he just looks like he could be a dad, to be honest. I'm gonna go with like 40. Honestly, he looks like he's 40. Yeah. Wait, what?
Welcome to The Button, a speed dating show. When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two
Not gonna
people
lie to
can
you.
last on a date for 10 minutes,
I don't care what nobody says. It's not about being shallow. Personality, 100% matters. But before I get to that personality, whatever I see will determine if I'm interested or not. And that goes for both guys and girls. I hate when people try to lie. If this person is completely unattractive to you, whether it's by looks, like physical appearance, or the way they dress or carry themselves, or even smell is an attractive feature, right? These things, if you are not attracted to this person physically, you're not gonna mess with that person. You're not even gonna give them the chance. And that's just the truth. If you guys want to call it shallow, sure. But after that initial attraction now is when we're like, all right, let me see if this personality holds or has any substance to it, because that is what keeps the person. So there's an initial attraction from physical, but what keeps them is the mental. You get what I'm saying? I hate when people try to cap and lie and act like, oh, they don't care about looks. Especially girls try to do that stuff. It's not true.
they win an all expenses paid second date.
This is the button.
Why the button sound like that, though?
This is the chair. There
Okay,
you
so
go.
I think this is the girl.
Oh,
All right, Brett.
Hello,
hi.
She got gray hair.
All right, I'm Milton.
I'm Mia. Nice
Hey,
to meet
Milton.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mia.
Milton has a type. I have here thick, sassy, sense of humor.
Is there anything else?
Is
you wanna
that the fat phobic thing? Fake?
add to that checklist?
That's about it. I mean,
So what do you do for work?
I'm a school bus driver.
He's out.
Oh,
Bro.
That was quick.
No, nothing's really wrong with that, but again, you see, this is crazy to me that people are gonna be. I don't know who got shamed for the fat phobic thing. Sorry, but he literally said bus driver, and immediately her image of him was not the manly guy that she is looking for, and that's the fact.
Take your blind.
How comes nobody's shaming her?
Each other.
Hi.
Ask her, why did you reject me?
Why did you?
I just wasn't feeling the spark. Didn't feel like conversation.
Yeah,
was
it's
flowing, that's all.
it's the spark plugs on the school bus.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Got the
Do you
M
regret
necklace.
it now that you see him?
He's very handsome, but stay where I stand with. Just didn't feel the flow.
Milton's a total babe.
Absolutely.
I got the chair.
Good job. Good job.
Hold the chair. Hi.
Hi.
It's a 40-year-old.
I have my hand out.
Oh.
For... No?
Oh, there it is.
There
Hi,
you
nice to meet you.
go. What do you like to do for fun?
I am really open to trying anything new. I'm pretty new to the area. Right now, it's mostly been like hitting as many different breweries to try as I can because I think that's really
Breweries.
Okay.
Craig owns a bar.
What?
cool. Ooh, love that, Craig.
I do. A lot of my time is spent around like breweries and wineries and alcohol and stuff like that.
Interesting.
Completely get that. I just started a new job recently, and I work in the beer industry now, so it's been a lot of stopping at bars and things
Okay,
like that.
got something in common here.
It's become a work.
Why are you looking around like that? What's wrong with this guy?
So I work in marketing, so I'm a brand manager.
So when
This
you're
guy
dating,
is really talking to an imaginary person, or he's giving imaginary cues to somebody.
What age group do you normally kind of?
Yeah, you're 40, bro. I know you're 40. You own a bar. I don't think a 20-year-old or maybe mid-30s to early 40s would be a bar owner, in my opinion. I don't think.
So my age range is usually like.
This guy thinks he's in there. He thinks he's in there. 32.
I'm 39.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then to be totally transparent, I have 2 kids and
Oh,
I'm
no.
divorced.
Okay.
Bro, I said this guy looks like he was a dad.
So like throwing that all on the table.
Appreciate.
Bro, I knew it. You look like a dad, bro. You look like a dad. You're a dad. I'm not gonna lie. I saw his gut, and I was just like, I think that's a beer belly. I don't think that's just like, oh, he likes to eat. I think it's a beer belly. And then he just looked like a dad. Boop.
I am so sorry.
Outside with it.
I actually have tried going out with someone with kids before, and it just really isn't right for me right now.
Totally get it.
Right
and
now.
I understand. It's like it's a lot.
It's such a pleasure.
It's
to meet
actually,
you.
I think it's your age, bro. She's ageist.
Pleasure. Good luck tonight.
Thank you. Damn. Really thought I had at the bar owner.
But yo, as a 39-year-old, would I want to date a 22-year-old? I think she said she was. Like, I think that's a hell of a gap, brother. Yeah, I don't think that would be it for me either. Just not. I guess it's less based on age and more on the fact that you guys are at different places in your life. But then again, there are some people that are way ahead on what they want in life. So who knows? Normally, females mature faster and are settled faster in their head. Guys take a longer time. I said I was so close.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I get a hug?
And where are you? Put your hands up.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay.
Hi, I'm Nathan. Nice to meet you.
I think that was it. I think when he hugged her, he realized she was a little bit bigger than he is. That's the moment. I think it's this guy, because that nobody else could really know if somebody's body type from shaking their hand or just talking to them. To be honest, so I think this is the guy.
How are we doing?
You know, I'm great. Thanks for getting me off my feet, move around a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just kind of having a good time today. It's nice. What do
Interesting.
you find yourself doing in your leisure time?
I love watching
Well, low key, that guy's smart for doing that. That was a good way to figure it out if this person is particularly your body type that you might like or not. And there's nothing wrong with that, bro.
television and film. I studied.
Like, girls can say, "Oh, I'm too skinny." That's okay, bro. I'm not for you. There's nothing shaming about that. If somebody's not physically your type, what's the issue?
Film for a really long time.
Okay.
So
Guilty pleasures?
I always say like my number one guilty pleasure
But I shouldn't say this because I don't know if he was rude about it. So let me see.
show is Riverdale. I will never
Riverdale.
recommend anyone watch the show.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Sorry.
That was aggressive slam. No worries.
I am so sorry. You're lovely.
Thank you.
But yes,
Was it the Riverdale?
I'm gonna be very candid with you. We have a little bit of a bromance back there, and so I kind of did it for the boys.
Report back to the boys that you got me down. Okay. Have a good night.
No. His reasoning was all the guys wanted to get me out.
Oh no, I just heard a big gasp from the gal room. I think I'm not villain number one. Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hello.
It's nice to meet you.
Oh wait. So wait, was it the other girl that he found fat, or was it?
It's
Oh.
nice to meet you. I'm Sam, Samantha.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
So in terms of dating, what is something that is like an automatic deal breaker?
I can be really chatty sometimes, and I've had a lot in my past where people will I'll talk about something and then they'll just cut me off.
I wonder if you think, do you think for a second like you can tell that somebody's taller than you in a seat? Like, because I feel like her voice is a little, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm reaching here. Like, I wouldn't want to date a girl that's taller than me, right? Not like I'm friggin' 5'3", but I think I would want to know that. You know what I mean?
Someone who will listen to me.
What is something that you watch by yourself that's a guilty pleasure that you don't tell anybody?
I mean, I watch a lot of
Some
anime.
weird ass
I
questions.
watch
Me too.
a lot of Asian shows like Korean dramas.
What is your type?
I'm definitely very into Asian men. It's not like a deal breaker or anything.
That's a shocker. I mean, the fact that she loves anime and she watches a lot of Korean shows and stuff, it's shocking. I thought it was somebody else
What
that she
race
would like.
do you think I am?
I have no idea. I don't want to make assumptions.
You want to take a guess?
I would say like maybe white to Asian, maybe.
I am Asian.
I'm black. I'm joking. I'd die if he said that.
Sure.
Okay.
Yo, this guy is so funny. There is nothing wrong with what he's doing. I don't care what nobody says.
Thank you.
Why, Nathan?
We get along on a lot of different topics, but I felt that it was something where I could become a really good friend with you.
Yeah, yeah.
That's just kind of a gut feeling for me.
No, that's totally valid. Yeah.
This guy said good. Yo, I don't know why this is so funny to me.
Okay, I can't see anything because I don't have my glasses on.
Bye, Sam.
Goodbye.
Oh.
Hey, how are you?
Yo, they set this man up. They set this man up because I guarantee you, they asked everybody, "Yo, what's your type? Do you have a type physically? Da da da, whatever, right?" And it seems like the bigger girls are the ones that are getting sent out to him, and they're getting the same treatment, and they're going back and saying the same thing. I think this episode is scripted, man.
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I think this episode was made
I'm Amy.
to spark controversy. I think so.
What's your drink of
Amy
choice?
is wifey material.
Ain't she? Mm-hmm.
What makes someone wifey material?
I just really like to take care of my man.
I love that.
I like to spoil him.
I
mean,
love
I don't
that.
really expect the same energy back. But I
Dub.
can cook really well.
What
Mm.
do you love to cook?
Steak dinner with like shrimp.
That's my favorite. Steak and fries. I've been adventurous with the steak though. I do be getting medium rare. You know,
And
Oh,
like
wow. Surf and
I get
turf?
roasted.
That is very
mashed
fancy.
potato.
the surf and turf is lit too. I'm not gonna lie, but I have allergies to shellfish and stuff, so my lips will start to swell up and my throat will start to itch, and I feel like I'm gonna die. But I still, I still like take it in quantities. I'm trying to make myself, immune to it.
Then models.
Does he?
Oh, are you your model?
Oh, I don't. Where did you guys get that information? What?
How tall are you?
Do you want to give me a hug and see how tall I am?
I just gotta say, man, this guy, he is slick. Because it's not like he got up every day and he's like, yo, can we hug first? He didn't do that. He found a way to work it in there. He is actually smart. Like, we gotta give him credit for that without shaming anybody, without being like, oh, I just want to see if you're fat or not. Like, you know what I mean? So, regardless if that's what he was trying to do, he didn't do it in a impolite way. So it's not bad.
Not right now.
Why did you press the button?
It's just like wasn't the vibe.
I can respect that.
You have really nice hair.
Oh, thank you. You as well.
It was nice to meet
Her
you.
hair is
to
nice.
meet
My name's Ria.
my name's
Okay.
Donovan. What is your type?
Look-wise, my type has been all over the
Bad
board.
one.
I definitely love people who are like athletic and into the gym. I love like manly
Press the
men,
button now,
like,
miss.
Let me feel more relaxed and like.
Press the
That's
button
I
now.
do work out and everything, so.
Stop,
Part
brother. Stop lying. You do not work.
of my regimen.
Feel your arms.
Yes.
I hear my
Okay,
arms out.
where are
My
your
arms out.
arms? Okay. Okay, you seem strong. What do you like to
Yeah,
work
you're
out?
chubby.
in the gym?
So honestly,
Deadlifts.
I work out every particular muscle twice a week. I would say my favorite one I like to do is chest.
Where-
Push pull legs.
Can I feel your face?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay,
No. You're not gonna be touching on my face like that.
that's good.
Oh, thanks.
He looks like he could be in the army.
Two connecting.
I mean, she's already had my arms and my
I've
chest.
already like I feel like I basically already know you.
Blindfolds off in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh wow.
You're
Glasses
not
off
what I
too.
expected you to
Really?
be, honestly. Yeah.
I don't think that's a good one.
Are you two
In a good way.
gonna go on a second date?
I'm so sorry.
Bro, she just basically told him he's beat. Come on.
Why did you reject him?
I just
don't
wanna
lie.
see, like what other vibes are there? Just
Okay.
for the experience.
Vibes. Yo, why are you guys lying? You see, because the internet and society and social media and everything is such a cancel place. Like, everybody's afraid to tell the truth, bro. She doesn't find him attractive. That is what it is.
Sorry, Donovan. Thank
As for the fatphobic shit and whatever everybody's saying, I think that's bullshit, because here you had a girl literally reject a guy because he's not good looking, right? Looks is a part of physicality, whether you're fat, fit, built, skinny. As I said, man, for some people I might be too skinny. That's okay. You're not shaming me about something. I'm not your type. That's not a problem. You know what I'm saying? I don't think people should be shamed for having a standard for themselves. Like, he wasn't disrespecting them. He was very actually slick about the way he went about it. I don't think anything was wrong with it, but that's just my opinion, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, man. I'll see you guys later. Peace.